Hello and welcome to the full video tutorial of the Employee Work Schedule Tracker spreadsheet. In this video, we're going to do a deep dive to show you how to set up and use the spreadsheet to manage your employees' schedules. To do a quick overview, in the top you have some high-level information such as the week beginning date for the week you're going to enter in their schedule, your company name, the company department. You can enter in up to 25 different employees to track their schedules, their actual schedule time information, and then the payroll info on the right-hand side showing you their hourly rate, how many hours they worked, and how much payment is due. So to run through an example, for the first week, we'll use September 12th, and remember that you're always going to do Sunday as the week beginning date. So for the week beginning Sunday, September 12th, you can see it's going to automatically populate in all those days of the week. Then you can enter in up to 25 employees. We'll just enter in a couple as an example. And for each one of those, you're going to enter in their schedule that they're working. And just remember to type in AM or PM at the end so that it properly formats the date or the time. And we'll enter in a couple times for Sarah. And a couple of times for David. And you can see as I'm doing that, it's automatically totaling up the total number of hours that each employee is working. And then you can go in and manually enter the hourly rate that you pay each employee. And it'll automatically calculate their payment due. And then also, the spreadsheet has been formatted perfectly so that whenever you go to print this, if you want to post it at your office, it's going to perfectly format that to print on a single page. So that's already been taken care of for you. And then each week, you'll just delete the prior week's information. You can keep your employees unless you've added new ones or let go of some employees. And then you'll enter in the next week beginning date, and then you can do that all over again, print it, post it in your office. And it's a simple way to track your employee's schedule. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.